Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we are doing another video with unboxing and racing Hot Wheel 5-packs, and I got some pretty cool ones in this video, starting off with the Batman 5-pack right here. We got some pretty awesome cars, including that light blue, kind of like that old school one, but these are pretty awesome. That one at the bottom is obviously not really going to race, but we still got these other four. But then we're also going to be racing, or unboxing and racing, this Nissan 5-pack. So these are some pretty awesome cars, and I'm really excited to bust this open. So let's go ahead and get started with opening the Batman cars. And I do have a handful of Batman cars already open, but I go ahead and add these ones to the collection as well, and be able to have these in some upcoming races. Obviously that one is not going to be able to race on the track, because let's go ahead and pull that out first. That's pretty much as it is. Like, that looks really cool though, and I love how like the windshield on that is green. There we go, you guys can't see that, but I mean I'll put this up on the track, and it might have the potential of sliding down, but I'm not really too sure if it's even going to work. Hot Wheels did come out in this with a different form, and it did have like a little stand that it sat on, so it's kind of too bad that this one didn't have a little stand or anything, so it'll just kind of sit there. But let's go ahead and bust out the next one. And this is the, I remember it's like the TV series Batmobile. I don't remember if it had any other specific name, but that is really cool. And it does have like that blue, like kind of windshield and everything, but also that blue accent kind of lines all over, which look really nice. And then it's even down the side as well. So I really like that black and blue, and it still has like all the traditional red accents on it as well. Next up, we have that really cool old school one, and it doesn't say what the exact name is, but I remember, oh, it actually says Batgirl on the side, but I do remember like way back when, this was like one of the original designs for the Batmobile, which that looks really cool. And you guys can kind of see, like, let me know down in the comments down below if you guys kind of know like what year, like what generation, or honestly like what Batman movie or Batgirl. But that's going to be pretty cool to race. It does have a lot of weight, so I am kind of curious to see how that runs on the track. And then we have a Dodge Charger, and it is a 2011 Dodge Charger RT, and it is themed as a Gotham City police car. So that actually looks really cool. It's technically not a Batmobile, but still Batman themed, and that's really cool to be able to have that as well. And the final car is actually a Robin car, and this is Muscle Bound is the car that this is. So I guess Hot Wheels used a kind of generic car they already had, and then themed it with the Robin, which actually looks pretty cool. It looks like a nice cool muscle car, and the other side has the Robin theme as well. And I really like that little yellow trim around the wheels. It's a nice touch that they did. So now we're going to have all these off to the side. Let's go ahead and set that out of the way and go ahead and bust out the Nissan pack. So I know these are also like very drastically different type of cars, but I did find these 5-packs. I really wanted to race them, but didn't really have any other kind of theme. I didn't have any other Batmobile 5-packs to run these other Batmobiles against, or like the Nissans didn't have any other like cool sets available. So that is why I wanted to at least run the Nissans versus Batmobiles, because I really wanted to like open up both of them, check them all out, and get them ready for some upcoming races, and also kind of to fill in my display a little bit. But let's go ahead and get started. And the first one's actually a Datsun, so Nissan, Datsun are same company. This is the Datsun 620, and that one actually looks really cool. Got the kind of designs there down the side, and then obviously at number 72, and then even where it says Datsun across the back, and that's in like raised lettering. I don't know if that's really showing up very well. And it does have like little wide body fenders on the truck, so that's a pretty cool Hot Wheel. I actually really like that. And then next up we have the Nissan Skyline GTR R32, and this one looks absolutely amazing. So it's all red there on the sides, and then as you see, there's a stripe down the middle, and there's all the different like brands and stuff. So you have HKS, LWC, Hot Wheels logo. Sparco Hot Wheel graphics, and Nissan all listed there down the hood, and then also it kind of fades off there on the roof. So that's a really cool touch as well. And then obviously it has like the taillights, has the Nissan, the Skyline, and the GTR logos all there on the back, which is a lot of really good detail. So this is a really nice Hot Wheel right there. And then we have the, it actually doesn't say. I believe I do have another one of these, and it's like I think the 2000 GTR. I don't remember exactly, but this one is finished in a really nice purple, and I really like that. This is also pretty heavy, so I don't know if that's going to be a factor in the race at all. But wow, let me know what you guys think of that one, because I really do like that color. Actually, all the Nissans here are like really bright and like different colors, kind of like pastels a little bit. And then this one is pretty cool. We got the Nissan Silvia S13, and it has like the Japanese writing down the side, and then really cool blue windows, kind of like that race livery as well. And then it has like the really detailed taillights, and even says Silvia there in the middle. So that is a really cool car, and they did a really good job with that one. And then the final car, we have the Nissan Fairlady Z, which this one looks absolutely amazing. It has that crazy livery there, stripes on the side to get the number 80 on the side, and then on the hood it has more stripes. It says Nissan, has the 80 there on the roof as well. So this is a really cool car, and it looks absolutely amazing. Also, look at those wide body fenders there on the rear, a little bit wider on the front as well. So this car is, I just got to make sure it still fits in the 6-lane raceway. So that'll be kind of interesting if it does not fit, but we will see. Since I opened the Batmobiles first, I'm going to race these ones first, and we're going to take that winner of that car, set it aside. Then we're going to race all the Nissans, take the winner of that, set it aside, put the two winners head to head, and find out of these two 5-packs which one has the fastest car. But let's go ahead, line up the Batmobiles at the top of the 6-lane raceway. Alright, so we got the Batmobiles lined up right here at the top of the racetrack, and I did get that one kind of sitting there. It's probably going to fall down as soon as I launch all these cars, but I figured, what the heck, I'll go ahead and set it up. But essentially, these four right here are the ones that are going to be competing. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Like I said, I do really like all the blue accents on this one, but I kind of like the old school Batmobile, so I kind of want that to win, but we will see. But let's go ahead and race these in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was not what I expected. So these two right here were actually really slow. The Charger and the Robin car were the two fastest, but the Robin was actually the winner of the first race. So, I mean, props to Robin. I mean, he's kind of proven himself as having the faster car, faster than the Batmobile and the police car. But let's go ahead, clear these off, and then go ahead and race the Nissans. Alrighty, so we got the Nissans lined up, ready to go. That one right there, the Fairlady Z, is barely fitting on the raceway, but it does fit. All the other ones fit pretty well. There is a little bit of snugness, though, kind of like that one as well. But let me know down in the comments down below which one you guys think is going to be the winner and which one you guys love. I mean, I really like that R32 GTR, but we will find out in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that was not what I expected. Lane 2, the Datsun 620 is the winner of that race. So both of these races, I honestly thought the sports cars would be faster, but it kind of threw me off being the pickup truck. And then out of the Batmobile race, the Robin car won. So that's pretty interesting. So we're going to line both of these back up at the top of the track. I'm going to go ahead and clear these, but let's find out which one of these two is the fastest. Alright, so we got the final race. We got the Robin car and then the Datsun 620 truck. And honestly, when I was putting that up there, I realized that the Robin car is actually significantly heavier. So I'm wondering if that's going to play a huge role in this race. But we're going to go ahead and find out which one is the winner. And we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. The Robin car is the winner overall of these two 5-packs. And honestly, that is a huge surprise to me. Like, I honestly did not expect that out of all of these cars. All right, guys, so what did you think of those results? That honestly surprised me completely. I thought at least like one of the Batmobiles were going to win, but the Robin car did. And then out of all the Nissans, I thought one of the sports cars were going to win, but the truck did. It was pretty unexpected, but when the two final cars went head-to-head, the Robin car was the fastest. So let me know down in the comments down below if you guys saw that coming, or if maybe that was like your favorite car. But also, out of all of these, which one was your favorite? Because I do want to do some upcoming races, and maybe I'll pull some of the favorites from a bunch of different videos and be able to race those. So definitely hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see other videos like this, because I do videos all the time and I am not slowing down. I'm going to just keep on going. I also do a bunch of case unboxings as well. Also checking out some really cool Hot Wheels RLC exclusives and some other cool cars. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.